What is the best electric scooter under $500? Here are my full reviews of the best electric scooter under $500. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Gotrax XR Elite Electric Scooter. Highlighted features. Got a 300 watts powerful motor. Provides a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and a max travel range of 18.6 miles. Has a LED display. Offers dual responsive braking system. Got 8.5 inches front and rear air-filled tires. Has highly visible front and tail light with additional 6 reflectors all around. The Gotrax is an exceptional scooter with all the modern features you expect to find from such a ride. This is one of the best two-wheeled electric scooters that got a digital display on the steering to give you all the data you need. From maintaining a cruise control speed to showing you the battery life, there is a lot of data shown on the display. Don't worry about the charge running out soon. The ride got a 36V/7.8 battery that gives around 18.6 miles range per charge. But what makes it even better is the fact it can do so with a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. All thanks to the e-scooter's 300 watts motor that allows it to move fast. And when it comes to the safety of the rider, there is no shortcoming with the Gotrax. It offers dual braking power of mechanical and electric brakes. That and features like headlight and tail light that make it visible at night. If you feel that won't be enough, no worries. The scooter got 6 additional reflectors which make it hard to miss by on the road. In terms of the comfort of riding, the scooter has large 8.5 inches front and rear air-filled tires. They take on the bumpy roads like a boss. However, for me, the large deck on the ride is what makes it so great. It offers a grippy surface that allows you to feel comfortable as well as stable riding it. And yes, it folds real quick. The one-step folding system makes it quite easy to fold and unfold. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Hiboy S2 Electric Scooter. Highlighted features. Got a powerful and intelligent brushless 350 watts motor. Has a dashboard screen, shows speed, power, and much more. Allows customization of speed for cruise control. Offers a regenerative battery that works with braking. Comes with a smartphone app. Has rear shock absorption to make riding smooth on uneven terrains. Hiboy is one of the brands that is quite highly regarded in the scooter industry. Why shouldn't it be? The S2 electric scooter is a prime example of its excellence that's hard to find. You take a look at the motor housed in the ride. The 350 watts brushless hub motor manages to produce a top speed of 18.6 miles per hour. In preferable conditions, the ride can maintain the top speed and give you a range of 17 miles with a full charge. That tells you about its high performance. But speed and range isn't the only thing that makes it the best electric scooter for heavy adults. It is the handling and driving experience that makes it. The S2 got a super smooth turning and acceleration. Not for a second, you will feel it getting out of your control. The tires are solid as they manage to absorb a lot of the shocks and bumps. Meantime, the frame of the bike is durable enough to take on hits. Safety is one of the things that Hiboy takes quite seriously. That's why you will find lights on the front, rear, and even in the middle. And in terms of braking power, you've got a disc braking system in the scooter. About the braking, here you got an EBS anti-lock regenerative braking system in the ride. If you know that, then let me tell you in simple terms, the bike recharges when you brake while you are riding it. Besides that, there is a Hiboy S2 app that lets you do a lot of stuff like switch riding mode, lock the ride, customize speed and brake response to name a few things. There is a lot that the scooter offers. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. Swagtron Swagger 5 Boost Commuter Electric Scooter. Highlighted features. Has a powerful 300 watts motor. Offers a top speed of 18 miles per hour. Provides 11 miles range with a full charge. Got 8.5 inches honeycomb tires for maintenance-free use. Has a simple single-click folding system. Offers 3 speed modes. If you're looking for an electric scooter for heavy adults, then the Swagtron is the one you should go and get. This ride got a 300 watts motor housed inside it, which offers enough power to let it move at a max speed of 18 miles per hour. In terms of mileage, the 36V battery can provide at least 11 miles per charge. But once run out of juice, you've got to wait for 3.5 hours before riding it again. That said, the ride for a short commute has enough charge. And for the roads, the scooter is not bad. It got those advanced airless honeycomb tires that don't go flat that easily. And the ride gets real compact too. Just a single click is all it takes to fold it. Still, the biggest attraction here isn't all that. For me, the Swagtron app makes it such a great ride. You can do a lot of things like choose speed mode and all right from your phone. Not to mention, the IPX4 rating comes as a big plus, as you can now ride it while in rainy conditions too. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. JOYOR X5S Electric Scooter. Highlighted features. Provides superior performance with a 500 watts motor. Offers a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. Gives extreme mileage of 40.3 under specific riding conditions. Has a superior anti-lock mechanical braking system. Got a shock-absorbing suspension at the front wheel. Comes with 10-inch air tires. To cover long distances on a scooter, you should put your trust in money in the JOYOR. Unlike others, it got a battery system made out of lithium batteries that can give 31 miles with a single charge. Under specific conditions, this range can go up to 40.3 miles. Besides offering such long hours of riding, the scooter gives you a super smooth riding experience. Credit goes to the speed sensor input signals that allow the scooter to maintain a cruising speed throughout your ride time. But if you don't care for having long rides utilizing the battery, you can take it up and speed up the ride up to 15.5 miles per hour. That's its top speed. Even moving at this fast speed, the scooter will allow you to be in control with its mechanical braking system. That and the front wheel shock absorber paired with the 10-inch air tires make for a ride that gives great traction, stopping, and a smooth riding sensation. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. Aire EcoSmart Metro Electric Scooter. Highlighted features. Got a soft padded seat and a wide deck made out of bamboo. Uses 16 air-filled tires to provide a better riding experience on uneven terrains. Scooter got a simple twist grip handle, throttle and a hand brake. Has a cargo carrying basket that's detachable. Houses a powerful 500-watt chain-driven motor. Offers 18 miles per hour top speed with 40 minutes of run time. For a smooth ride, you should go and get the Aire. This electric scooter with seats got the standard 16 pneumatic bicycle tires that deal with rough terrains. Having the broad bamboo deck comes of great help too. Your feet can rest on it. A soft padded seat and the footrest make riding fun for everyone. By twisting the grip throttle, the 500-watt electric scooter can ramp things up a notch too. This thing can hit up to 18 miles per hour. With a single charge, you can cover up to 12 miles with ease. And it is easy to ride too. With the weight more on the rear with the rear-wheel drive shift, the bike gives unreal steering and traction to the rider. It is practical too. The 36V rechargeable scooter got a basket at the back to carry your grocery bags and all. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.